Today's question is x raised to power of 2 plus 20x plus y raised to power of 2 plus 16y that is equal to minus 20. The equation above defines a circle in the xy plane. What are the coordinates of the center of a circle? The options are minus 20 minus 16, minus 10 minus 8, 10, 8, 20, 16. So here they are giving a circle equation. So what is the standard form of circle equation? The standard form of the circle equation is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square that is equal to r square. Here r is nothing but radius, h comma k is nothing but center. So we need to find this h comma k. This question is taken from the SAT. So what the given equation, x raised to power of 2 plus 20x plus y raised to power of 2 plus 16y that is equal to minus 20. To find the center x comma y, no need to do all these simplification. Just simply you need to take x as minus b over 2a. This is a shortcut to find the center of the given circle. So here b is nothing but the coefficient of x and a is nothing but the coefficient of x raised to power of 2. So then x equal to, what is b? Coefficient of x, which is minus 20 over 2 times a is nothing but coefficient of x power 2, which is 1. So after getting cancelled, so we left only minus 10 here. That is x value. Let's go find the y value. To find the y also, you have to take y as minus b over 2a. The same formula, but here b is nothing but the coefficient of y and a is nothing but the coefficient of y power 2. So what is the coefficient of y? Which is 16. So just take 16 over 2 times. What is the coefficient of y power 2? That is 1. So after getting cancelled, so we left only minus 8. So this is the shortcut trick to find the center of the given circle. The formula is only for minus b over 2a for the x and y. But for the x, you have to take the x coefficients. For the y, you have to take the y coefficients. That's it. I hope you like this content. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.